Alright guys, so we're gonna get straight into this look today. I'm actually going to dinner tonight, so I'm gonna whip up something real cute, and I really want to take a picture because I have not taken a picture in a little minute, so I'm trying to be cute. Okay, I have this wig from Sunber today, and I am so happy I found this in my stash of wigs because I just wanted a regular black wig. I might do a side part today or a middle part. It's feeling a little side partish today. But I just wanted a regular, like mid-length wig. And I did just wash this, bleached the knots, plugged it. I did everything this morning. So yeah, you guys know how I feel about Sunber wigs. And you guys have been purchasing the Sunber wigs. Like whenever I wear the Sunber wigs, that's like y'all's favorite wigs on me. Like y'all be like, Tasha, what's the tea? And honestly, this is one of my favorite hair companies. Oh, I'm trying to fix this. This is one of my favorite companies, especially because of the lace in the hairline. I do have to go in and pluck it myself, but it's never like a bunch of work. And I did kind of over pluck it a little bit because I got new tweezers and it was like grabbing hairs by the bunch. And I was like, whoa. So yeah, I'm about to install this very quickly and speed through this so that I can get to styling. This looks like a body wave, which it basically is, but it's like a tighter curl. I'm gonna insert a picture of how the wig comes. It's like this like tight body wave. Like, you know, the body wave comes with this slight S curl. This comes with more of like a very big coiled kind of curl. So in my head, it's gonna hold a curl a lot better. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna go for like big voluminous curls today. More than usual. So we just gonna see what's going on, and I'm gonna put this on, and yeah. to curl my hair. I was letting my curling iron heat up. This is the EAP curling iron. I don't know what size this one is. I think this is the bigger one. I don't know, but I'm gonna do some curls and I'm gonna pin them while I'm doing my makeup, so that my curls could be super juicy and last all day or all night, should I say. And I have my pins right here, my little baggie, and I'm just going to curl my hair. And I'm gonna I don't know if I want them going towards my face today, like that, like, you know, super glamorous look, or I want them going away. I don't know yet, but we're just gonna flick the wrist and see where this goes, okay? I can love you, I can love you, I can love you, I can love you better than she can. I can love you, I can love you, I can love you better. Alright, so those are on. I'm going to let those dry for like a few more seconds, pinch them together, shape them to my eyes, and I will be back with my hair down and everything. All right, so the hair is done. It's super bouncy, curled, light layers, just the way I like it. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit more, pick out my outfit. I kind of know what I'm wearing, but I kind of don't know if it's gonna look right, so we'll see. And then I will be back to give you guys a complete outfit and my fragrance. So you guys, my outfit's on. I'm so glad because it came out exactly how I envisioned. Because I didn't try anything on until like I was about to leave the house, and if it did not work out,